What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're working on Jumba the GS300. Going to get its misfire figured out. Let's dig in, and then in the background today we also have Jeff doing an angle kit on his R32. So got throttle body pulled off, and I think the culprit is these wires here. Whenever I'd wiggle it, it would just like cut or run good or whatever, you know. So I had to look for any inconsistencies, clean it up, and then put it back together. Hopefully it'll run decent. So let's see how it goes. So I found the culprit, and all around this wire has just been cracked like that to expose copper. They were both cracked to expose copper right next to each other, shorting out. You can just see it's all just super brittle. We got our wires all taped up. They shouldn't arc. They're individually taped and they're taped together, so hopefully that should stay together. And we're just gonna see how it drives. So. Everything's connected. We're gonna try to start it up. The purple accents. Almost feel like it's running rougher. What the fuck? It revs a little better, maybe? I don't know. I guess we'll take it for a quick cruise. First one actually ever. Maiden voyage in Jumba. See if it immediately goes into some sort of limp mode when we put it in gear like it did before. I guess that'll be the main test. Oh yeah, there it goes. Well, I decided to say fuck it and just take it on a cruise anyways. And this thing feels squirrely. Definitely pulling heavy to the right. Got a ton of lights on the dashboard. Misfiring. Just begging for a 1J at this point. But she got gas. This is one light I'm taking off the dash. So, true to my nature, I didn't just sit around. I had to fucking dive into it again. And I found water in like cylinder 5, and there's just a bunch of shit in this little like plug valley, so I'm pulling it all back out again, cleaning it up. Hopefully that'll help clear up some of the misfire. Okay, after cleaning it all up, you can't see shit because it's dark because I'm not working in my own garage. This asshole.
Hi, I'm asshole.
Yes, but I'm gonna try and put this on again for the hopefully last time. So we about to it's running. Every one of the dash lights is off. That's a good sign. But the main thing is, let's see how it does. Let's put it in the gear. VCT light never came on. That's the parking brake. So that's good. It ain't misfiring again, so we might try to take it on another quick drive around the block. So wish us luck. Misfire, look at this. This is a Jumba, driving Jumba.
This is a driving Jumba.
Back at it, working on Jumba the GS. We got it running good without the misfire yesterday. Now I found the exhaust leak, so we're gonna pull that mid pipe off, throw some welds around it, clean it up, hopefully make it sound a little bit better. And then daily GS will be almost underway. I did look because that steering felt so wobbly. These tires are pretty fucked. So we're gonna take a look at all the front suspension. Flash forward, I tried to get that exhaust leak fucking taken care of, and it's in the mid pipe with the catalytic converter. So of course it's expensive to replace, but every single one of those bolts is just rusted completely. I stripped everything, like there's no heads, like all the heads of the bolt is like fused via rust to the exhaust flanges. So the only way I'm gonna get that out is by cutting it out. So I'm gonna do that at a later date if I do decide to turbo the GS or do something different and do a full exhaust system. We're gonna do it all at once, and that's gonna be a nightmare for a different day. But what we're doing for today is some exhaust tape. It's only leaking around the O2 bung flange right here, mostly on the top side, and you can see like somebody had done some fucking booger welds, whatever. There's a little bit of pinholes here, so I'm gonna try and just slap some tape over it, see if I can get it to seal up better. And as long as it's better than it currently is, then like I don't care as long as it's not super loud. So we're gonna try to patch it up and see how much better it gets. So step one of this task is clean. So I'm gonna grind away some of the rusty metal. We're just cleaning it up so that way the tape can adhere to it better. And there's not a bunch of rusty, dusty, particulate shit. So then now I'm gonna take a little bit of acetone, clean that up, and then slap the tape on. Alright, got the tape on this bitch. Kind of reheated it, resituated it a few times. Trying to minimize the leakage, but we'll see how it does. You gotta let it run for 20 minutes and let it just like fucking melt and cure the exhaust, but it kind of warps in that time, so who knows. Cheap fix is like $7. And obviously way easier than pulling my fucking shit. So we'll try it again. And we'll try and huge difference. Sounds like it's still got maybe a slight I have a slight little bit still poking out, but whatever. We're gonna call it good. So back to Jumba and what's wrong with it. We actually took it for its first test drive today. We got all registered. We in the Sunshine State, boy. Anyways, so we're driving it and this motherfucker is squealing as you drive down the road. I'll insert a clip from Instagram because I forgot my camera. I think it needs an alignment. But if you look, we're at 72.5 almost, just shy of 72.5 inches in the front. We're at 70.75 inches in the rear for a total of 1.75 inch toe out. So these things are fucked. This wheel, pretty decent. This wheel, pretty out. So I'm gonna try to fix that really quick and see how it drives. It'll be a much better Jumba, but it's now daily mode engaged. So we'll make it good. Battery gonna die, but we got that bitch squared up. Nice and straight. See if the steering wheel stays straight. Probably not, but who cares? It's close. We got the alignment zeroed out. Toe is looking good. I went and drove it. Steering wheel was just barely off. I ended up like adjusting each side evenly to try to walk the wheel back, the steering wheel back to center. So we're really close now. Now what we want to do, because it kind of died in a drive-through earlier, just being weird. I think it's because of this guy right here. Corroded ass native wire for the battery. So we're gonna pull it out. We're gonna pull out this little tray and then get it replaced. So hopefully that should help. Cable out. It's actually connected to the ground that goes to the block right here. There, and you can see corrosion all up in there. It's just a shitty wire. So we went to the parts store, got some new cables. We'll slap those in, get the battery back in, and then it'll be time to load up the S14 for the drift event. So yeah, Dilly in town. Hello. But yeah, now we go load up the truck. I already got the trailer, so hurry up and get this thing out of the garage and get to work. And we got Jumba back together after you know, a little bit of effort. We got clean grounds all around. So we're gonna try to start it up, see if it's happy, pull this bitch out, and yeah. Let's see. You got a little bit of a mist every now and then on cold start, but seems kind of about the same. She seems really happy. Got a little bit of get up to her. Yeah, alignment, much fucking better. Not trying to fight itself, not squealing tire, almost straight steering wheel. AC works in this bitch. That was just a happy car. So, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Got the alignment fixed. We got the ground cable and that corrosion fixed. We got the exhaust fixed. We got the freaking misfire fixed. We got the car registered. So Jumba's in official daily mode. That means that it is officially time to get the S13 coupe going, get the welded diff thrown in that. It's time to get the S14 loaded on the trailer tonight for the drift event coming up. So you guys already know, stay tuned for that drift event video. It's coming up. We're going back to the firm. Stay tuned for more Jumba content, the S13 content. The ball is rolling, folks. We've got a new daily. No misfires. It's luxury at its finest. Cheap JZ Lexus. Love it. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate you all tuning in. Don't forget to play in traffic.